भारती न्यूज, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।
नमस्कार, मैं गीतिका और मैं आप सबका फिर से स्वागत करती हूँ भारती न्यूज़ पर। और आज हम आए हैं वुमेन अचीवर्स अवार्ड्स 2025। तो चलिए जानते हैं यहाँ के लोगों से कि उनकी क्या राय हैं। ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कंग्रेचुलेशंस मैम, आपका बहुत बहुत। मैम, इन विच कैटेगरी यू गेट दिस अवार्ड?
I'm getting in a category of event management and a destination weddings.
हाउ आर यू फीलिंग टुडे?
It's absolutely a great feeling. I'm overwhelmed. Appreciating people for their work in this industry is a very, very big thing.
बेसिकली करते क्या हो?
I run a company by the name of Big Wig Events, and we majorly do corporate events and destination weddings in that.
Thank you so much. Okay, congratulations ma'am. Ma'am, in which category you get this award?
I'm getting in the field of artist.
Ma'am, basically what do you do for a living?
I'm doing paintings.
How do you feel in today to get this award?
Excited, nervous, mixed feeling.
Thank you ma'am so much. Congratulations ma'am. In which category you get this award?
This is a Women's Achievers Award.
What do you do for a living?
I'm first of all, my name is Krishna Kalra and I'm YouTuber, I'm a model actor, I'm a singer और मैं लिखती भी हूँ poems and articles and socializing। और जैसे पुअर पीपल होते हैं उनकी हेल्प करती हूँ, स्पेशली बच्चों की, जैसे एजुकेशन में हो, उनके क्लोथ्स में हो, मनी वाइज हो, तो उस हिसाब से जुड़ी रहती हूँ।
How do you feel in today? आपको इतना बड़ा अवार्ड मिल रहा है।
कॉलर अप। आई एम फीलिंग सो नाइस एंड सो ग्रेट। एक्चुअली ये जो भारतीय विद्यापीठ जो कॉलेज है, ये नाम ही बहुत अच्छा है और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि मैं भी यहाँ फर्स्ट टाइम आई हूँ और यहाँ पे ये अवार्ड मिलना अपने आप में ही बहुत बड़ी बात है। तो आई एम फीलिंग आज मैं ऊपर आसमान नीचे, आज मैं आगे ज़माना है पीछे।
Congratulations ma'am. Congratulations ma'am, आपका बहुत बहुत। How do you feel in today?
Yeah, I'm top of the world. And I would like also thanks to Mr. Sherry ji and his wife Guljeev ji, and I'm also very grateful to Poonam ji, and that's all.
What do you do for a living?
Yeah, I'm a model, anchor and celebrity fashion designer and lots of them.
In which category you get this award?
Yeah, for the best model and anchor.
Thank you ma'am so much. Congratulations ma'am, आपको बहुत बहुत। In which category you get this award?
In the category of art. Actually, I started learning Kathak, which I started in my childhood, but I could not complete. Now I am a retired government servant and I am completing it my second inning Kathak, so I got the award.
Thank you so much. Okay, congratulations ma'am, आपको बहुत बहुत। How do you feel in today?
It's top of the world. Feeling very honored, blessed kind of blessed.
Ma'am, what do you do for a living?
I have lived for myself. Now I'm living for underprivileged kids and go towards this old age homes, working with them only because I have taken from from society. Now it's my time to give things to society.
In which category you get this award today?
For the social work, and even I'm an artist. I have applied for the Guinness World Record for the Sundarkand, which I have made in Worldly art. So I think art and social work.
Thank you, congratulations ma'am, आपको। Congratulations ma'am, आपका बहुत बहुत। मैम, आपको कैसा लग रहा है आज?
I'm very happy to be here, and after seeing the crowd and after seeing the arrangements, I'm more happy.
In which category you get this award?
I'm getting in social work. It's about women empowerment, and it's about bringing a change in society.
Ma'am, what do you do for a living?
I have an NGO, and I also teach in college.
Thank you ma'am, congratulations ma'am. Congratulations ma'am, आपको बहुत बहुत। मैम, कैसा लग रहा है आपको आज?
Thank you so much. I am so happy to see all these things. और मिस्टर शेरी और पूनम जी का मैं बहुत बहुत तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करती हूँ क्योंकि उन्होंने हम जैसे एक सोशल एक्टिविस्ट जो साउथ दिल्ली के अपने ही लेवल पे जो कार्य करते हैं, और मेरी एक ट्रस्ट है सवेरा ट्रस्ट, और ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ दैट पूनम जी और शेरी जी ने हमें यहाँ आने का मौका दिया। आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू थैंक्स ऑल ऑफ। थैंक यू सो मच। और थैंक यू आपका जो इतनी देर से आप इतने प्यार से मोहब्बत से सभी का इंट्रोडक्ट और इतने प्यार से उनका सम्मान कर रही हैं, और काफ़ी टाइम से आप खड़ी हैं, और आपका भी कैमरे वाले जी सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, तहे दिल से धन्यवाद।
Which category you get this award today?
As a social activist I have to come over there.
Thank you so much. Congratulations मैम, आपको बहुत बहुत। कैसा लग रहा है मैम आज?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
In which category you get this award today?
Excuse me.
In which category you get this award?
Teaching. I was a teacher
मैम एनी आप कुछ कहना चाहो हमारी यूथ को, अपना कुछ एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहो?
Right now I'm training underprivileged children. I'm just guiding them for higher studies so that they can go to Germany for nursing. So I'm just guiding them.
थैंक यू सो मच, कंग्रेचुलेशंस मैम। कंग्रेचुलेशंस मैम, आपको कैसा लग रहा है मैम आज?
Honored, grateful and happy to get this kind of an award. When we get this kind of award, I am from a mental health professional and I do social service. So when you feel motivated from these kind of awards to do much better for society.
In which category you get this award?
I am a mental health professional and I am into social service.
In which category award? इसी category में? Okay.
Yeah, I am a life coach and I deal with people who are into who are working with NGOs and dealing with girl child education, dealing with people who are into depression, disabilities, trauma. They don't have money to go to a therapist. So I volunteer them free of cost.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम, कंग्रेचुलेशंस मैम। आपको मैम कैसा लग रहा है मैम आपको आज?
मच बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है कि लाइफ में शायद कुछ अचीव किया है जिसकी वजह से अवार्ड मिल रहा है।
Which category you get this award?
Actually I'm a retired teacher now, so I'm getting under the education.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम, कंग्रेचुलेशन। ओके, सो कंग्रेचुलेशंस मैम। आपको कैसा लग रहा है मैम आपको आज?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
In which category you get this award?
So I am a cybercrime prevention strategist and an entrepreneur as well as an independent director, and I think that's the category which I got the award for.
Congratulations मैम, थैंक यू सो मच। Congratulations मैम, कैसा लग रहा है मैम आपको आज?
Very nice and good achievement, and I'm so thankful to Sherry ji has given us this opportunity. Nice, yeah.
Which category you get this award?
So I'm an entrepreneur and art promoter. So I've been working since 12 years now. So in this category I've got this award.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम, कंग्रेचुलेशंस मैम। आपको कैसा लग रहा है मैम आपको आज?
Very much happy to come here.
In which category you get this award?
Actually, I'm a bank manager in ICICI Prudential, and my designation is business officer manager.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम, कंग्रेचुलेशंस मैम। आपको कैसा लग रहा है मैम आपको आज?
It's a great feeling, absolutely. Thank you.
In which category you get this award?
I am a leadership coach, so working in that category, yes.
What do you do for a living?
Like I said, I'm a leadership coach, so I coach leaders of organizations where I kind of support them into taking leadership roles.
Congratulations मैम, कैसा लग रहा है आपको आज?
थैंक यू सो मच गीतिका, बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है दैट ऑल द हार्ड वर्क हैज़ फाइनली पेड ऑफ।
In which category you get this award today?
So I'm a beauty entrepreneur and I'm getting the award for my brand Wildflower Naturals.
Thank you so much ma'am. I mean, which category you get this award today?
I am an artist and a model, so I'm getting this award for my creativity, and I'm very thankful to author Sherry and Poonam Kalra ji.
Thank you so much ma'am. Congratulations ma'am, कैसा लग रहा है मैम आपको आज?
Feeling very good, honored, blessed, and it's a different kind of a feeling, you know.
In which category you get this award today?
Basically, I'm an educationist and public speaker. So that is the category I'm getting. I am heading the MBA department at Management Education and Research Institute, which is a college affiliated to GGS IPU. So this award I'm getting because of my contributions to the field of community education and mainly in the area of soft skills and public speaking.
Thank you so much ma'am.
Thank you.
Hi, congratulations ma'am, कैसा लग रहा है मैम आज आपको?
It's been privileged to be the part of such a good event, and I am feeling very honored. Thank you.
In which category you get this award today?
So I work as an educator. I work as a freelancer educator. So I've been awarded with the same.
Thank you so much. Congratulations ma'am, कैसा लग रहा है मैम आज आपको?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सीरियसली, मतलब कांट एक्सप्रेस इट माय वर्ड्स।
In which category you get this award today?
एक्चुअली मैं तो हूँ तो लाइफस्टाइल ब्लॉगर, लेकिन मुझे मिल रहा है PR मैनेजर एंड अ प्रमोटर।
Thank you so much ma'am. Congratulations ma'am, how are you feeling today?
Thank you so much. I'm extremely happy and feeling honored, and मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये award लेके।
In which category you get this award today?
Actually, I'm an admin of a Facebook community group, which name is Stunning Divas. So I'm handling this group.
Congratulations ma'am. Congratulations ma'am, कैसा लग रहा है आपको आज?
थैंक यू सो मच, आई एम फीलिंग सो ग्लैड और इतनी खुशी हो रही है, एंड दिस इज़ द अचीवमेंट की बीइंग आफ्टर बीइंग ए मल्टीटास्किंग मम्मा, सो नाउ आई फील कि मेरे कोई गलत रास्ता नहीं पकड़ा, सो आई थिंक इट्स अ रियली गुड थिंग, एंड ऑल दो आई एम ऑल्सो डूइंग अ पॉडकास्ट एंड ऑल, सो आई थिंक ये जर्नी बहुत अच्छी चल रही है और उसी का रिवॉर्ड आज यहाँ पर मिल रहा है एंड थैंक यू सो मच टू द एंटायर टीम सो टू नॉमिनेट मी।
आपको वुमेंस को ऐसी कुछ चीज़ें बताना चाहो जो फैमिली भी संभाल रहे हैं और साथ में काम भी कर रहे हैं?
बिल्कुल बहुत टफ होता है वैसे तो कि फैमिली संभालना और साइड बाय साइड अपने पैशन को फॉलो करना, बट आई थिंक कि एक चीज़ है कि एक है ना लेडीज़ के अंदर एक डर होता है, उस डर की वजह से वो कुछ चीज़ें नहीं कर पाती। तो आई थिंक कि वो जो डर है उसे हमें कम आउट होना चाहिए एंड जब तक आप बोलेंगे नहीं आप बाहर।
कंग्रेचुलेशंस मैम, कैसा लग रहा है आपको आज?
I'm feeling honored, elated and blessed. I want to thank the organizing team, MS Talks and basically Bharati Vidyapeeth Pune for organizing this event.
Which category you get this award today?
Actually, I am working in Shobit University as professor in pharmacy department. So I have more than 16 years of experience in academics and research.
Thank you so much ma'am. Hi ma'am. Congratulations ma'am, कैसा लग रहा है आपको आज?
मान सम्मान और स्नेह के साथ साथ गौरव का एहसास लग रहा है मुझे।
In which category you get this award today?
मुझे सोशल कैटेगरी में किया गया। मैं सामाजिक कार्यकर्ता भी हूँ और एजुकेशनिस्ट भी हूँ।
Thank you so much ma'am. Congratulations ma'am, कैसा लग रहा है आपको आज?
आई एम फीलिंग वेरी अमेजिंग एंड प्राउड और थैंक्स टू श्री सर कि उन्होंने इतना अच्छा अवार्ड फंक्शन ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, क्योंकि ये आपको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी देता है अपनी जो आपकी स्किल्स हैं उनको शो ऑफ करने का।
Which category you get this award today ma'am?
लाइफस्टाइल।
Thank you so much ma'am. Hi, congratulations ma'am, कैसा लग रहा है आपको आज?
बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है एंड वी आर वेटिंग फॉर इट MS Talks from last 15 days. It's really a very good experience for us.
Which category you get this award today?
I am getting this award from as a spiritual healer and astrologer.
Thank you so much ma'am. Hi ma'am. Hi, congratulations ma'am, कैसा लग रहा है आपको आज?
थैंक यू, बहुत खुशी हो रही है। अवार्ड मिलना सबको अच्छा लगता है, तो सबसे पहले मैं MS Talks को धन्यवाद करूंगी जिन्होंने मुझे आज यहाँ पे ऑनर किया है।
Which category to get this award today?
Into social worker. I am into human rights. I am National Secretary and Delhi State President of International Human Rights and Crime Control Organization.
Thank you so much ma'am. Hi, congratulations ma'am, कैसा लग रहा है आपको आज?
So much. It is a brilliant opportunity to get this award, and I'm receiving this award for women empowerment.
In which category you get this award, and what do you do for a living basically?
This category is as an educator. I'm working with Modern Delhi International School and teaching students about the contemporary socio and political issues. And about this award, I also work for the mental health of women.
Thank you so much ma'am. Congratulations ma'am.
Congratulations ma'am for the award.
Much. Thank you so much.
Can we get to know in which category did you win?
Well, entrepreneurship.
All right. So what do you basically do in entrepreneurship?
Basically, we are into pageants and we are conducting poetry events. We are the pioneer of Indian iconic poet in India.
All the very best for the future. Thank you so much. Many congratulations for the award you get.
Thank you so much.
Can we know in which category did you win that?
I am from occult sciences. I am a Akashic reader and I am a KP astrologer.
That's very good. Do you want to incite our audience what it actually is?
The main thing I want to tell the people that there is a way out to remove the blockages from the past karmas, ancestral curses. It was the day gone when we were dependent on the pandits. They used to charge very high, but still, people used to in the same boat, no nothing. But now it is the era of Akashic reading, healing, removing all the past karma, ancestral curses, oaths, vows. So they must come forward and to know what the blockage is, from where it is coming, so that they can remove and live happily ever after.
Thank you so much and all the very best for the future. Good evening ma'am. Many congratulations for the award you win. May we know in which category do you get this award?
First of all, I would like to thank you very much for calling me here, inviting me. And I am here in a category of lifestyle and mom influencer. And I feel very excited to be a part of this event. And I am really thankful to Sherry sir and Kulvinder ma'am who has invited me over here. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you very much ma'am.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you. Very good evening ma'am. Many congratulations for the award you win.
Thank you so much.
May we know in which category do you win this award?
I think in the innovation category.
All right. Would you like to incite our audience what it is?
Yeah, I'm into cognitive fitness. We help to enhance the brain capabilities through our workshops, and our motto is to have better brain along with the cognitive health. Cognitive fitness is very important along with your physical health as well.
Thank you and all the very best. Thank you. Good evening, ma'am. Many congratulations for the award.
Thank you so much.
Can we know in which category do you get this award?
So it's influencers category, and like I'm working as a software engineer by profession, but like by passion it's food and influencer category. So for that I was nominated.
Do you want to say anything to our young audience here?
Yeah, like follow your heart. Just because even when I was pursuing my BTech degree, I didn't know that I would move into this category. But I like capturing photos, videos, and from there I got this instinct that I should take this career. And like currently I'm working as an engineer, but in future I'll take this as my proper profession.
That's really nice. All the very best for the future. So many congratulations for the award you win.
Thank you so much.
Can we know in which category do you win this award?
Yeah, it's content creation category.
And what kind of content do you create?
I talk about ancient Indian wisdom and how you can apply it in solving modern day problems and issues.
That's great. I think it will help the future generation a lot and you may achieve great heights. Good evening, ma'am. Many congratulations for winning this award.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Can we get to know in which category do you win this award?
Yeah, so I am an interior designer and I've got my own design studio in Gurgaon and I've been nominated and awarded for the same.
That's great. We wish you all the best for the future and you may achieve great heights.
Thanks.
A very good evening, ma'am. Many congratulations for winning this award.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Can we know in which category do you win this award?
I'm a practicing company secretary and I am a proprietor of my own firm, Gurpreet Bhatia and Associates. So it's a basically secretarial and ROC firm for all the finances and everything.
That's great. We wish you all the best for the future and you may achieve great heights.
Thank you so much and thank you for inviting us for this prestigious awards and recognizing our efforts and bringing this to platform. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. A very good evening, ma'am. Many congratulations for this award.
Thank you so much. Namaste.
Can we get to know in which category do you win?
I'm from finance and I'm a finance content creator and YouTuber. So I'm getting in that same category.
That's very nice. We wish you all the very best for the future.
So much. Thank you so much.
A very good evening, ma'am. Many congratulations for the award.
Thank you so much. It means a lot. It was unexpected actually because जब nomination किया था तभी लगा नहीं था कि award मिलेगा. But thanks to Kulvinder ji and everybody. And I think SSRA awards, it inspires people to work more hard. So looking forward, and I think जो भी आज मैं ये कर पाई हूँ is because of my parents' blessings and all the wonderful support. So thank you so much. And
that's great. Can we know for which category are you winning this award?
For leadership category and as a board of director and as a podcaster as well. So yes,
that's great. Keep doing the good work and we wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. Means a lot, and all the best to you and your team as well.
Thank you so much. A very good evening, ma'am. Many congratulations for this award.
Thank you so much. It's an honor to be here and receive this award.
Can we know in which category do you get this award?
Actually, I run an NGO by the name of Tejas for Change. We basically work for disabled children and underprivileged kids. Apart from that, I'm on the post of General Secretary in Bharatiya Janata Party Yuva Morcha in West District. So yeah, maybe that's my achievement.
That's great. You're doing a great work in life. We wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. A very good evening, ma'am. Many congratulations for this award.
Thank you so much, and I'm really grateful to MS Talks who always supported me on my journey. I was a homemaker. Author Sherry took me from there and took me on a very inspiring journey of becoming a public motivational speaker and a life coach. Today I'm training a lot of people for mental and emotional wellness, stress management, relationship management. I'm also organizing workshops in schools and colleges for teachers as well as students. And it's my hard work, no doubt, but still the credit goes to him also. He's my mentor.
You're doing a great work. We wish you all the very best for the future.
Thank you so much.
A very good evening, ma'am. Many congratulations for this award.
So much, and good evening to you also. Yeah, so I'm Monica Ahuja. I'm a lifestyle coach and a motivational speaker. I'm very honored to be recognized with this Women Achievers Award by Gorgeous Magazine and MS Talks. And this is not only an award, it is the honor of my journey, the resilience and the transformation, and a power-packed attitude of positive mindset. That's what I give back to the society. As a motivational speaker, I share transformation journey and help people to transform lives. And I'm very humble to my mentors, to my well-wishers, to my family and friends. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and we wish you very all the best for the future.
Thank you so much. I'm really glad to be nominated for the award today, and this has been organized by MS Talks, and I'm happy to be here. I'm an advocate at Supreme Court. My name is Priyambika Jha, and I'm gold medalist in law, and I was also part of the Hindu Mahasabha in the Ram Janmabhoomi case, the famous case. Apart from that, I've been practicing since 21 years now, so it has been a long journey, but in short, that's all from me now.
That's a great achievement. We wish you very all the best for the future.
आपको हमारा ये कैंपस कैसा लगा?
आज MS Talks अपना ये इवेंट जॉइंटली भारतीय विद्यापीठ कॉलेज में कर रहा है. The campus was very beautiful. Atmosphere of this venue is very wonderful. All coordinator, volunteer and team members are very cooperative. डॉक्टर आयुषी जी ने बहुत अच्छा कोऑपरेट किया है. वंशिका मैम ने हमारे साथ बहुत कोऑपरेट किया है. मैं थैंकफुल कहूँगी MN हुड्डा जी को, जिन्होंने हमें सपोर्ट किया अपना ये इनिशिएट लेने के लिए, और हमेशा ही वो सपोर्ट करते हैं, सबका सपोर्ट करते हैं, और उनके लिए मैं वेरी थैंकफुल हूँ.
Would you like to give any message to today's awardees?
Today's theme is Iconic Women's Award. वुमेंस आज की डेट में बहुत ज़्यादा हाई जा रही हैं और बहुत तरक्की कर रही हैं. मैं सबको यही मैसेज देना चाहूँगी, अपनी शेल से बाहर निकलो, अपनी ताकत को समझो और आगे बढ़ो.
Ma'am, but still today women are facing very difficulties in every field. But
आज की डेट में वुमेन अपनी फील्ड में फेसिस इसलिए कर रही है क्योंकि वो कहीं ना कहीं अपने आप को आगे बाहर नहीं निकाल पा रही हैं. अगर वो अपनी ताकत को समझे, थोड़ा सा अपने अंदर मोटिवेशन लेके आएँ, तो वो आज की जनरेशन आगे निकल सकती हैं. क्योंकि बहुत सी ऐसी लेडीज़ हैं जो हमारे पास कोचिंग भी लेती हैं, आज मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर बन रही हैं, अपने आप को बाहर निकाल रही हैं. जैसे आज अवार्डी एज अ अवार्डी जो आई थी पूनम कालरा जी, शी इज़ नाउ 70+. उन्होंने भी आज की डेट में, जब वो मैरिड थी और अपने आपस में घर में ही रहती थी, पर 60+ होने के बाद उन्होंने ये सोचा कि अब मुझे जो करना है, अब मैं बाहर निकलूं और वो करूं. अपनी सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ख़त्म करने के बाद वो लेडी हिम्मत करके बाहर निकली और एक मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर बनी. सेम एज औरत अगर कुछ भी चाहे, हिम्मत करना चाहे, वो आगे बढ़ सकती है.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम.